This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Every decision I've ever made in my entire life has been wrong. My life is the complete opposite of everything I want it to be. Every instinct I have in every aspect of life, be it something to wear, something to eat, it's all been wrong.
Tuna on toast, coleslaw, cup of coffee.
Yeah. No, wait a minute. I always have tuna on toast. Nothing's ever worked out for me with tuna on toast. I want the complete opposite of tuna on toast. Chicken salad on rye, untoasted, with a side of potato salad and a cup of tea.
Welcome back to episode 392. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad. This is going to be a spicy episode. I hope you enjoyed one of the most classic scenes of Seinfeld. If you have never watched Seinfeld, shame on you. You can watch it and binge it on Netflix. I'm going to dedicate this episode to George Costanza and doing the opposite. Let's jump right into the session. We had on the NYSE 153 new highs versus 540 new lows. 43% of stocks were advancing versus 54% declining. 54% are below the 50-day, and 45% are below the 200-day moving average. The Dow recovered and closed up 159 points. The NASDAQ and the S&P closed negative. I found it very funny that on Bloomberg, I was watching some television over my lunch break. They were saying, the Dow's up 200, but they failed to show that the NASDAQ at that time was down 200, which is double the percentage. So you want to be cautious of the narratives here. Taking a quick look at mega cap, pretty much all red on the Mag 7. Apple was break even. Amazon was up marginally, 0.04%. Microsoft was down 1.5%. Nvidia reporting tomorrow after the close, down 2.8%. Google/Alphabet down 2.1%. Meta down 1.5%. But Tesla got crushed, down 8.3% today. Now I'm going to cover this a lot today. Looking at sector performance to the upside. You did have green. Consumer defensive, toothpaste, toilet paper, Windex, soup, cereal, junk like that, was up 1.4%. Real estate, because yields were declining, inferring lower mortgage rates, was up 1.2%. But that is BS. Yields were down, not because it's a boon to the economy. Yields were down because everyone was rotating into bonds and TLT. Healthcare down up 0.6. Industrials up 0.6. Basic materials up 0.25%. Financials up 0.1. Everything else was red. To the downside, your communication services down 1.4. Technology down 1.3. Energy down 1.1. Consumer cyclical down 0.5%. There's just a lot to cover today. A lot of context to cover today. So taking a quick look, what did I want to point out before I jump into this session? Yes, the analogy of moving averages. So again, if you're a professional trader, bear with me. For a lot of folks who are, not following the markets every day, it's a little overwhelming. 50-day, 100-day, 120-day, 121-day, 200-day.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not your advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.